So hi, my name is Dwayne Squires.
My name is Richard Muse.
And in this video, we're going to give you a deep dive on how do you know whether you've got a good deal from a property sourcer. Now, just to start off with, like Richard and I follow a very simple motto is you shouldn't, if you use a property sourcer, you shouldn't have to be able to do any other checks to verify that it's a good deal. And that's because we don't like to put any deal out to our investors. We like to make sure we've done all the due diligence and we follow a 5-step process, which if you want to find out about that, please click the link above. We follow a 5-step process, which isn't done in a matter of 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It takes a number of hours. I think if you put it all together, maybe 4 or 5 hours. And that's to verify every deal. Every deal that comes across, quote unquote, our table, we don't just accept, do we? No. We make sure it actually stacks up. So when it comes to yourself, you should be choosing a property sourcer that you like, trust. They have a clear process that they can walk you through. And ultimately, that should allow you to save time, because the reason why you should be investing in a property sourcer is to save you time and energy and let you focus on your value add, which could be just raising capital and growing your portfolio. So that's our motto. But if you did want to verify that your property sourcer is giving you a good deal, then you just have to complete your own due diligence. So Richard, what's your suggestions on what investors should do to confirm that they've got a good deal from a property sourcer?
Well, obviously, the main sites for doing your research is Rightmove and Zoopla. And two things on there is you would type in the postcode and you'd have the properties that's actually for sale at the moment, if there are any. If there's none in that particular street, then you widen it out to a quarter of a mile. But you should also look at the sold prices as well. So you want the last sold prices in the last 12 to 24 months. And that will give you a good sort of accurate feeling on prices. But it's very important when you're looking at those prices and valuing it, you're valuing like for like. You know, you might see a 3-bed that's on for less money than maybe a 2-bed that's sold on a sold price. So that's saying, oh, that's good value. So, but you've also got to look at the condition as well. That's important. You know, you can tell a lot by the photographs. You know, I can tell straight away if they're going to need some sort of refurbishment or if it's in a tip-top condition. So if you think it's going to need a certain amount of work doing value-wise, you need to take that off the actual market value that you've come to the price.
So that's really good suggestions, really good suggestions. So to summarise for you at home, so in effect, you do your own due diligence and you can do a lot of that online using Rightmove, Zoopla or equivalent. But top tip is make sure that when you're doing your comparison and your valuations, you're comparing like for like deals to make sure you come to a true valuation. Thank you for watching that video. If you're thinking of investing in property, have you considered investing in North East? If you have or you haven't, why not check out the full video playlist we created, which gives you the full deep dive in investing in property in the North East. Check it out.